Welcome to our channel. Today, we're breaking down the US healthcare system in a way that's easy to understand and follow. You know, navigating healthcare can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. It's all about making informed choices, and trust me, understanding your options can make a huge difference. If you're between 18 and 30 years old and looking to get a handle on your healthcare, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Did you know that these tiny berries can pack a powerful punch for your health? We're talking about blueberries, the superstars of the fruit aisle. And I'm not exaggerating, these little guys are packed with antioxidants. You hear about antioxidants everywhere, but what's the big deal? Well, imagine your cells are like cars, and everyday life, pollution, stress, even just breathing, creates these things called free radicals that are like rust on your car. Antioxidants are like a fresh coat of paint, protecting your cells from that damage. Blueberries are full of them, especially a type called anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant blue color. But wait, there's more. Blueberries are also linked to improved brain health. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can boost memory and cognitive function. So whether you're studying for finals or just trying to remember where you put your keys, blueberries can give your brain a helping hand. And the best part? They're delicious. Eat them fresh, frozen, in smoothies, or even baked into muffins. Just make sure you're getting a good dose of these little blue wonders every day. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Alright, I get it. Kale? Seriously? It's not exactly the first thing that pops into your head when you think of tasty, mouth-watering food, right? Let's be real, kale has a bit of a reputation for being, well, a little bit boring and maybe even a tad bitter. It's not exactly known for its deliciousness. Some might even say it tastes like you're chewing on a piece of cardboard. But wait a second, before you dismiss it completely, let's dig a little deeper. Sure, it might not win any flavor awards on its own, but here's the thing, sometimes the best things for us aren't the most exciting at first glance. Think of it like that one friend who's always dragging you to the gym. Not the most fun, but you know it's good for you. Trust me on this one. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse. It's like the unsung hero of the vegetable world, quietly doing its thing and packing a serious punch when it comes to health benefits. Think of it like the gym rat of the vegetable world. Not always the most fun to be around, but man, are they healthy. Kale is loaded with all sorts of good stuff that your body craves. First off, kale is packed with vitamins. We're talking about a veritable alphabet soup of nutrients here. Vitamin A for healthy vision, which is crucial if you want to keep your eyes sharp and your night vision on point. Vitamin C to boost your immune system, helping you fend off those pesky colds and keep your immune defenses strong, and even vitamin K, which is crucial for blood clotting. Without it, even a small cut could become a big problem. And don't even get me started on the minerals. Kale is like a treasure trove of essential minerals that your body needs to function at its best. Kale is a great source of calcium for strong bones, which is especially important as we age, and our bones need all the support they can get. Potassium for regulating blood pressure, keeping your heart healthy and your blood pressure in check, and iron for healthy red blood cells, which are essential for transporting oxygen throughout your body. But the benefits don't stop there. Kale is also packed with antioxidants, which help fight off free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. Kale is also an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps keep things moving along smoothly, if you know what I mean. Fiber helps keep things moving along smoothly, if you know what I mean. It can also help lower cholesterol levels and control blood sugar levels. Plus, it can help you feel fuller for longer, which is great if you're watching your weight. Eating foods that are high in fiber can help you avoid those pesky hunger pangs and keep you satisfied between meals. Now, I know eating a big plate of raw kale might not sound too appetizing, but the good news is, there are tons of delicious ways to incorporate it into your diet. You don't have to suffer through bland, boring salads to get the benefits of kale. You can blend it into smoothies where the sweetness of fruits can mask its bitterness. Try it in smoothies, soups, stews, where it can add a hearty texture and absorb the flavors of the other ingredients. Or even baked into chips. Kale chips are a crunchy, savory snack that can satisfy your cravings without the guilt. Get creative and find what works for you. There are endless possibilities when it comes to cooking with kale. From salads to stir-fries to casseroles and beyond, kale can be a versatile and delicious addition to your meals. So give it a chance, and you might just find yourself becoming a fan of the king of greens. Chapter 3. Quinoa, the ancient grain that's here to stay. Let's take a journey back in time to discover a superfood that's been cherished for centuries, Quinoa. This incredible grain has a storied past, dating back to the ancient civilizations of the Andes. The Incas who cultivated and revered it called it the mother of all grains, and it's easy to see why. For over 5,000 years, quinoa has been a vital source of nourishment. The Incas considered it sacred, using it in religious ceremonies and even as currency. Today, quinoa continues to be a crucial part of diets worldwide. Packed with nutrients, quinoa is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need but can't produce. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans seeking to meet their protein needs without animal products. So why is protein such a big deal? Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass, supporting immune function, and keeping our skin, hair, and nails healthy. It's also vital for growth and development, making it crucial for people of all ages. Protein helps build and repair tissues, produce enzymes and hormones, and transport nutrients throughout the body. Athletes and bodybuilders in particular rely on protein to help build and repair muscle after intense workouts. Think of protein as the building block of our cells, and quinoa is a fantastic plant-based source. But quinoa's benefits don't stop at protein. It's also rich in other essential nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. Quinoa is also a good source of fiber, iron, and magnesium. Fiber aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut, while iron is crucial for producing red blood cells and preventing anemia. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body, ensuring our cells get the oxygen they need to function properly. Without enough iron, we can feel tired and weak. Magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle and nerve function. It helps regulate muscle contractions and supports a healthy nervous system, which is vital for everything from movement to mood regulation. Whether you're hitting the gym or just powering through your day, quinoa can provide the energy you need. And the best part? Quinoa is incredibly versatile. You can incorporate it into a wide variety of dishes, making it easy to enjoy its benefits. Use it in place of rice or couscous in your favorite recipes, add it to salads for an extra protein boost, or even use it as a base for a hearty grain bowl. Add it to soups and stews, or enjoy it as a breakfast porridge. The possibilities are endless. With its impressive nutritional profile and versatility in the kitchen, it's no wonder quinoa has stood the test of time and remains a beloved staple in diets around the world. Chapter 5. Salmon, the omega-3 superstar. If you're not including this next superfood in your diet, you're seriously missing out. Salmon is not just any fish, it's a nutritional treasure trove that can transform your health. We're talking about salmon, the king of the sea, and a nutritional powerhouse. This fish is packed with essential nutrients that your body craves, and the reason it's so good for you? 2 words: omega-3 fatty acids. These are the magic ingredients that make salmon a superfood. Now I know what you're thinking. Fat? Isn't fat supposed to be bad for you? But I thought fat was bad. Well, not all fats are created equal. And while it's true that some fats are best enjoyed in moderation, omega-3s are the good guys. They are the unsung heroes of the fat world. They're essential fats, meaning our bodies need them to function properly, but we can't produce them on our own. This makes it crucial to get them from our diet. That's where salmon comes in. It's one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are like superheroes for your heart. They help keep your cardiovascular system in top shape. They've been shown to lower blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. Reduce triglycerides, a type of fat found in the blood, which can clog your arteries and lead to heart problems, and even decrease the risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of salmon can be a game changer for your heart health. And it's not just your heart that benefits. Omega-3s are also vital for brain health. Omega-3s are also crucial for brain health, reducing inflammation, and even improving mood. They can help you feel better both physically and mentally. But here's the catch: you need to make sure you're getting enough omega-3s, and that's where many people fall short. Supplements can help, but natural sources are always better. Many people are confused about how to get enough omega-3s in their diet. It's simpler than you think. Aim to include fatty fish like salmon in your diet at least twice a week. This can make a significant difference in your overall health. You can grill it, bake it, poach it, or even enjoy it as sashimi. The possibilities are endless, or even enjoy it as sashimi. Just make sure it's fresh and prepared properly. Just make sure it's cooked through to avoid any unwanted fishy business. Proper preparation ensures you get all the benefits without any risks. Chapter 6. Chia seeds, small but mighty. And finally, We're wrapping up our superfood journey with a tiny ingredient that packs a powerful punch: chia seeds. These little seeds might be small, but don't let their size fool you. They're a nutritional powerhouse loaded with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and a whole lot more. First off, let's talk about fiber. Chia seeds are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber absorbs water in your gut, forming a gel-like substance that can help lower cholesterol and regulate blood sugar levels. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to your stool and helps keep things moving along smoothly. But wait, there's more. Chia seeds are also a complete protein, just like quinoa. This makes them an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to boost their protein intake. And remember those heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids we talked about earlier? Chia seeds are a good plant-based source of those too. And the best part? Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. You can sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal, add them to smoothies, or even use them to make a delicious and nutritious chia seed pudding. Thanks for tuning in. Today we've explored a lot, from the antioxidant power of blueberries to the omega-3 richness of salmon. Remember, making small, sustainable changes to your diet can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our next video on understanding the US healthcare system. We'll dive deep into this complex topic, and I'll break it down in a way that's easy to understand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.